So, hi everyone, this is Rohit, and we'll be learning about MSP432 series of harvested energy recording. And this is Rohit Mehta, and today we are going to see the experiment 5, which is the final experiment of this course, harvested energy recording. So, in this experiment, we'll be demonstrating how to record harvested energy um, uh, uh, harvested energy for a board. So for this we are going to use MSP430 FR6989 PowerCast board P2110 EVB, and we are going to power the MSP430 with a battery while it records charging of the capacitor, and thereafter we are going to display all the recordings to a computer by UART, and we are going to print all the output on a serial port, and then we are going to represent graphically how the energy is recorded, and the how farther that we go from the Akash board, the energy is recorded. So from the energy source, the energy is recorded, and once we come near, the graph will show a peak, and once we go away from it, the graph will drop down. So we'll see a short video of me recording the energy and taking the readings. um, so I'll play the video, and if you can see, I've plugged in the battery and I have started the recording. And so I start from near the power source and go away from it, and then again come near and again go away from it. So we can see that I swirl around the power source, turn off the recording, and this was done in the lab. So I just got the recordings from the lab, and I got all the I stored all the recordings, and I then came back home and recorded this video. So I don't have the live demonstration of going to a party and taking all the recordings, but I do have. So I do have the output, and so we have two Python scripts. Just first one is Python log to trace.py. So it takes all the log file that we got from the MSP430, and it logs all those recordings, and we pass that log to this Python file. So we get a trace file, and the trace file is just a time to energy log file, and we generate a log, and we assume that the sampling rate is 50 yards. So after doing this, we get a trace file, and we pass it to another Python file, which is plot from trace.py. So we pass the trace file to this plot from trace, and then as we can see, the total energy available, we got 53.946 and we also got a trace time, which is 16 seconds, just exactly as the video, and the average power and average instantaneous power input. So we got the power input as 3.2 megawatts, and average power was 3.246 megawatt, um, sorry, milliwatt. And then as we can see the graph, so I went near the power source 3 times, so it shows the peak 3 times, and then as I moved away, it started falling down. So this is how the energy is recorded in a intermittently powered board. And so this experiment was all about recording the harvested energy, and how we can display it, and how is it displayed on the graph. So yeah, thank you.